I got a bit of an upgrade for my camera. This camera setup that I have here. Bought the Explorer grip kit for the Ace Pro 2, which is the camera that I'm using to record. Pretty cool. This makes it more like a handheld camera. It's a cage for it. I got a new, what is it called? Mic Air wireless microphone that connects natively to this camera. I also have another wireless microphone, which is the DJI Mic Mini. That one is a little bit annoying for this camera because I have to add a mic adapter to it and have to run a cable in order to use it. This one is wireless, so excited to try this out. Maybe the sound quality, if I just keep using this, is going to be better, especially for the van build. And I have a bit of scratches on my lens here, and this is a lens replacement. The cool thing with this camera is you can just pop off this lens guard like this and just replace it. If you have like scratches or a crack, you can just get a new one. This is 20 bucks replacement. So I put this one backwards. I'm gonna install these things to the camera. Voila, new lens guard. Should be clearer. Yeah, I dropped this a couple of times. I just got the microphone installed. Does it sound better? I don't know. I'll know when I'm editing this. I'm gonna get working on the van. Today is probably one of the worst days to be working outside. It is 94 degrees here in New York. Hottest day of the week, today and tomorrow. So it's gonna be really tough being outside. But let me see how much I can get done today. I'm gonna work on continuing framing the rest of the van here. I got partially done here. I just need to add a few more and then I can put the foam board in here. And then we can lay the OEM Mercedes board flooring, the subflooring, back on top. Let me put away all the tools that we picked up from our friend yesterday, and then we'll just get started. Let's continue measuring and cutting woods to finish the frame. I am almost done with the framing. However, I am out of wood to finish it. I just need a few more pieces along the edges and in the center aisle to really help with the kind of compression. We just don't want the
foam board in the middle to take too much of the weight, especially in the walking area. So I want to fill up this with like another maybe 3 pieces of cross beam, and same with here and along the edges too. But I got to go back to Lowe's to pick up a few more pieces. I might do that later today. Spencer is still napping. I kind of want to finish the sound deadening on the top here since we removed the ceiling panel. Let me work on that, and then I'll run some errands, return the knockoff insulation that I purchased from Amazon, and we'll see what else we get done. I'm pretty much done. I just need to roll them on. All the top sections are done, except for the ceiling. I have another box of those, so I can work on that maybe another day. I'm gonna head out soon before Spencer wakes from his nap. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be able to go anywhere. Man, the dash is reading 104 right now. Such a hot day. All right, let's make our way to the UPS store to return the insulation. It's taking too much space in the garage, so I want to get it out of here ASAP. And then I'll pick up more wood from Lowe's. So I just spent about half an hour at the UPS store trying to figure out the return. So what had happened was, because I ordered 3 quantities of those Thinsulate, Amazon decided to give me 2 QR codes. One being a 1 quantity return and the other label being 2 quantity. And one of the boxes fine. You know, I got 2 of the Thinsulate, which is 1 quantity in a box, returned. But then the other return comes in 2 boxes, but Amazon only gave me 1 label. And I was on talking with customer service, trying to figure out if I can get the label. And ultimately, they didn't even get me 2 labels. So they were gonna send me another label via another QR code. But then the problem is, because each quantity is 2 separate bags, and the boxes that I used were 3 bags, and then 1 bag in 2 separate boxes. That might be a little bit too confusing for you guys, but it needed to be the same return in order for all of them to get back to, you know, the seller or whatnot. So I just took the two quantity of those Thinsulate back, and I'll just figure it out another day. I just returned 1 out of the 3. Alternatively, I can place all 4 of those Thinsulate in 1 box, and that should solve this problem. Because I don't have a big box, and I didn't want to buy one from the UPS store, I will just wait until we receive another package that is big enough to fit everything in. I'm making my way over to my friend's house to pick up the ladder. I don't think I'm going to have time to go to Lowe's because how much time I wasted at the UPS store. So I'll just go pick up the ladder and head back home. Just grabbed the ladder from our friend's house in the back. I'm heading back home. Hi Spence. I am back. Okay. Hey, 煮緊飯。
就食㗎啦。
Okay.
就唔知你幾時翻。
係啊，啱啱翻。Watching some TV? What? Yeah. Cool, look. Let's see what my mom is cooking. Beef and broccoli 啊？煮乜嘢咧？芥蘭牛。Beef and broccoli. 呢個係咪ShopRite 買嗰啲肉啊？Very nice. Okay, let's see. This is the chuck steak that we got the other day.
一塊嘅。
哦，一塊啊，成塊係咪啊？$5 a pound, really good deal on that chuck steak. So we're using that for the beef and broccoli. Yeah, 靚啊。Tomato soup, and my mom made a tomato and beef soup with corn.
脆肉卜。
脆肉瓜就叫 zucchini，係咪幼幼嗰啲咧？有幼有大嘅係咪？
係啊。
I think this is a zucchini. It looks like. 龍脷啊 ，got some fish in there. Yeah. Okay. 啊。
明。食得飯。
Okay. All right, let's eat. 食飯。So our dinner tonight, we got some fish with zucchini, some chicken, beef and broccoli, some spam, and soup, tomato soup with fish and beef. Yeah. Yay! We just got done with dinner. Still got a little daylight left. Spencer is hanging out in the living room. I'm gonna make a run over to Lowe's to pick up what I needed, the wood that I mentioned earlier, and so I can continue working on the project tomorrow in the morning. Let's go home. Now that I got the wood, I can start working on it earlier tomorrow in the morning. I'm back at the house. Spencer and Rena, they're still hanging out downstairs, and it seems like I did a lot today. I'm going to continue doing the van build tomorrow now that I have the wood. Hopefully I can get the floor finished by tomorrow, if I can cut all the foam and stuff. But tomorrow's still going to be another hot day. I think it's going to be like the same 94, 96 degrees. It's going to be terrible. But I'll continue to work on the van. And if you guys want to keep watching our van build, hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new videos come out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that I can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.